Dun dun dun. You motherfucking bitches. Got a flat tire. But good thing is we're gonna take off the wheels, put on the stocks, because we're gonna get this repainted. The whole 3-piece wheels redone. Oh my god. So let's go ahead and what we're gonna actually be doing today is a cool little mod that any SUK owner can do. It'll help you out in a way. Huh? It'll help you out. Well, actually, I don't know if it'll help you out, but it'll make you feel cool for sure. So let's go ahead and pop this big bad boy open right here. Do that right there. Damn, it's ripped. I'm gonna check that out right now. But we're gonna go ahead and remove the intake, and then we'll continue with the process. What we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys. So gotta remove that right there. Ooh, nice. And then we're gonna go ahead and unbolt it. Let me go get. All right, so I got it out, and the best intake for your car to have is, I mean, for at least the S2000, for the S2000 is the stock intake it comes with. We're just doing little modifications here to make it a little better. Maybe you're obviously not gonna feel the improvement, but it's gonna be there like minusculely or whatever. So what we're gonna do is basically what you're gonna want to do is just literally cut this wall out, and then from this piece right here, you're gonna want to save a piece and then cut out like a piece to match that piece, get it and cover that, and it'll, because this is basically like a big ass silencer for it, so it doesn't sound you know, so you don't hear it or whatnot, but it's also like some kind of restriction, because you would say in a way. But we're gonna go ahead and cut this up, and then cut up a smaller piece for that and cover that up. Alright, so I got it off. I cut off, like basically as you guys saw, like at the end I kind of just yanked it off, and but I cleaned it up a little bit. Obviously it's not the best, but I just cleaned off some of the extra shit that I had on there. So basically you just want to get that off out of the way as however you can. And then out of that piece right now, I'm gonna go ahead and make a little piece for that little doorway looking, or that, I don't know what you want to call it, but go ahead and do that. Alright, so there we go. I got it just like that. Cover it up, we'll glue it up, and then put it on there. Alright, so I glued it on there. Now we just wait. Alright, you're really not gonna see my face, but for this one, basically what you wanna do is you just wanna yank this one out, and then we'll just yank it out first. It literally comes just like that. Don't need it. Now there's this other one right here. This little tab, just pull on it, just like that. Boom, done. That's for the top. Let's see this one. Oh fuck. Okay. I think I want to put some pressure on it for a little. Alright, so I got it on. That's a cool little airbox mod you can do for the S2000. instead of buying a cold air intake, because there is I guess you could say dyno tests or stuff like that where it shows, and there's really not much of an improvement, and the best one that it works with is with the stock airbox mod. So you just take off, remove all the restrictions and whatnot like I showed in the video, and go ahead and put it back on. I'm also thinking about probably finding, I feel like they probably have this somewhere, carbon fiber and whatnot. But we'll see. We'll see. That's for another project in another day, another hour. But anyways, that's it for that, you guys. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out. See you in the next one.